Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install a shower hose for a wand in your bathroom. Okay, connecting a hose to your shower head arm so that you'll have a sprayer is pretty simple. The first thing you need to do is remove the shower head. Go ahead and wrap some blue tape around it so you don't mar the finish. Then use a pair of slip joint pliers to apply enough pressure to loosen it up, and once it's loose enough to do by hand, go ahead and do that so you don't mar the finish. This wand has a diverter. You're going to actually install this on the end of the shower arm. Before you do that, you want to apply some Teflon tape. This is going to help seal the threads so that it doesn't leak. Now this tape doesn't have any adhesive to it. It's just kind of like almost like a ribbon, and you pull it like that, and then go ahead and screw on the diverter to that shower arm. You should be able to do this with no tools whatsoever, but go ahead and line up that diverter. I'm going to tighten it so that it comes off to the side like this, but you can place it any way you'd like. Put some more Teflon tape on here before you replace the shower head. Now, the hose attachment that comes with it has a clip with a washer built in that clicks into the side of this unit. So you just need to line up the pins and turn it and lock it in place. Now, when the shower's on, the water will come out of the head. When you pull the trigger, the water will come out of the wand. Coming up next, my video on how to seal grout.